How about pancakes? No. How about omelet? No. How about French toast?
You need to stop waffling and make up your mind.
Waffles, that's a good idea. We'll do that. Plug this in so it can heat up while we're getting it ready. You can mix using a whisk and a bowl or use a blender. First, let's crack the eggs. We need 2 eggs. I always suggest using a smaller bowl when cracking eggs so you don't end up with trying to get eggshells out of a blender. It's not easy. Now we're going to put the lid on the blender and just give it a quick blend. Now it's time to add the other liquid ingredients. 3/4 cup water or milk. I'm using almond milk. I want some kind of oil that's very non-flavory. I'm just using canola oil here. And I only need 1/4 cup. A teaspoon of vanilla. Now that's all of our liquid. So let's give it a quick shoot. Ready for what's next. And I'm just adding this right on top of my liquids. 1 cup of flour, which is 4½ ounces. 1 tablespoon white sugar, and if you like yours really sweet, you could add more. 2 teaspoons baking powder. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now we bring the blender back to the base here, and we're just going to do pulsing on this. Let's peek inside, and there it is, nice and smooth and bubbly. All right, it's ready to put in the waffle iron. I always use cooking spray. Just a quick spatter there. Now we pour the batter into the hot waffle iron. And you don't want it too terribly full, just get it up to the edge. I'm setting my timer for 3 minutes. Okay, the timer went off. The green button says it's ready. Now I always open it slowly in case it's not done, because then it'll stick to the top. So we got our first set of waffles. Then we refill the waffle iron again for our next one. I put the done piece in the microwave as a hot box. I don't turn it on, I just set it in there just to hold the heat while this one is cooking. Then I'll set the timer again. The little light says it's ready. It's been about 3 minutes also. Okay. I've got some left. I'm going to spray the whole thing, although I'm just going to do one well at a time. Okay, you can see how that one's kind of full. We'll do the next one. Okay, so it looks like it's going to do a half of one here. Ready? Now, wasn't that quick and easy? This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more, go to youtube.com/an Iowa Mom videos. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.